For this first wreath, I picked up this pink styrofoam heart piece, 4 bunches of roses of the color of your choice, this doorknob hanger with the bells, and of course the hot glue gun. To start off, we're going to remove the flowers from the sticks like this. So once you have all your flowers, you're going to take your styrofoam and your hot glue gun, and with the hot glue gun, you're going to poke a hole in it, dab a little bit of glue inside, and then just place the rose inside. And you're going to repeat this step to the whole top part of the heart. Now once you're all done fluffing up the roses, I went ahead and took this bell part off of the decor piece and just glued it on the bottom of the heart. Now for the side of the wreath, you can see that it's empty. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue putting more flowers on the rim of the wreath, just like I did to the front. So for this wreath, I wanted kind of an ombre effect, so I actually went a shade darker on the flowers from the outside than I did from the ones from the inside. Then I went ahead and I added this love sign to it in the middle, and this is the end result. Now for the second wreath, I wanted it to be a little bit more neutral rather than pinks and reds. So I went ahead and I picked up this heart wire wreath from Dollar Tree and some brown plain burlap ribbon. So to start this wreath off, I'm just gonna wrap the brown burlap ribbon all around the wired wreath. Now as you can see here, one burlap ribbon wasn't enough, so I ended up using 1.5 of the other ribbon, which actually turned out fine because I had just enough left over to make a bow to decorate it, which you'll see in a minute. Now to decorate this wreath, I wanted to keep it simple unlike the first one, so I decided to make a bow to decorate it. Here I cut up a strip of the burlap as big as I wanted my bow to lay, and then another one 2 inches smaller than that. I then glued a strip of glue in the end to connect both sides. To make the bow, I simply took the smaller part and placed it on top of the bigger one, just to give it more dimension, so it's not just a flat bow laying on the wreath. I connected the bows together using just brown ribbon. I wanted to continue the natural look, so I used brown, but you can use any color. Once you have both connected, you're going to fluff them up and then cut 2 legs for the bows. Then just glue them on the back of the bow like this. You can decorate them if you'd like. I wanted to keep it simple, so I just glued a strip of the brown ribbon on the legs. And this is the final look. Thanks for watching.